Small Nucleus Pulposus Surgical Forceps are one of the most used medical devices in minimally invasive surgery. The wide dimension of the edge part is only 25 micrometers. The fitting gap between the upper and lower forceps must be less than 5 micrometers. Jingdao GRA100 can meet the machining requirements and guarantees the accurate processing of small nucleus pulposus surgical forceps, and eventually leads into batch machining. Cutting-edge wide dimensional accuracy is 3 micrometers. Upper and lower forceps fitting gap is 5 micrometers. The cycle time for a single set is only 51 minutes. Now, let's see how the Jingdao GRA100 makes the precision machining of the nucleus pulposus surgical forceps possible.